Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Haval H6 Lux. Stock reference number 4770. The shape runs from the 7th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a GW4C20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. GW4C20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. With the left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors and guard appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sun visor type, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.